I'm Satima Fowler, CEO of Capstone Information Technologies. If you are a small business owner or you run a nonprofit agency and you value technology, but you don't want to deal with the daily headaches of keeping your computers running, or your current computer guy isn't treating you well, or you think that hiring a computer consultant will cost you a lot of money, then you've come to the right website. Over 100 small business owners in Rochester rely on us to keep their computers running smoothly. On the home page of this website, you will see an offer for a 2-hour service call that I would like to give you for free so you can get to know my company. My guess is that you have talked to other IT support companies who either nickel and dime you every time they touch your computers, or they don't fix things right the first time. That is why I want to offer you a 2-hour support call for free so you get to know the Capstone level of customer service. On the home page, you will see 2 blue boxes. This is how you can sign up for your free support call. You can either call us at 585-546-4120 extension 105, or you can fill in the form and click on the Get Help Now button. Either way, once we get your interest notification, we will call you back and schedule the support visit. So go ahead, contact us either by phone or by submitting the form on the home page, and I look forward to meeting you soon.